Hello everyone. Today I want to give you a 10 short talk uh, on audio test. Talk one. Um, the speaker introduced himself, and he hoped they were enjoyed the flight. Next, he hoped he said that it was a beautiful day out there, uh, and after takeoff, the aircraft they could see Mountain Rushmore, and on the right the approach to Denmark and South Dakota. After that, their radar indicated some turbulence ahead, and finally he um, he said that he was going to ask them all to fasten their seat, belt, seat belt and stay in their seats. Talk to the speaker introduced their tour, garden tour, and welcome to their tropical garden tour. And then the speaker suggested remaining seated in the train for the duration of the tour. Next, the speaker suggested keeping from leaning out the windows, and sometime he would taking them very close to some large tree branches, and he didn't want anyone getting hurt. After that, the speaker suggested refraining from picking any leaves or flowers, and their plans were for everyone to enjoy. So much for the precautions. Finally, the speaker said that their first stop was coming up on their left, and it was their rare orchid collection. About half of those plants were in full bloom, and he said some gave off a very pleasant scent, and they were all colorful. Talk 3. The speaker introduced the community cleanup drive the week after, and next the speaker said that last year it had been a dismal failure. Only 15 people showed up, and this year they hoped to do better, much better. And he wanted to see all of them at this year event. After that, the speaker said that convinced them to participate, and he reminding them to making their neighborhood clean off track and litter was for their benefit, and he suggested convincing a member of their family to join the drive, and remind them that when they finished, there will be a free hot dog and refreshment, as well as games for the kids. Finally, the speaker said that see them later Saturday after, and they would start at 10 in the morning and uh, finish at 1 in the afternoon. Đó. Talk 4, the speaker introduced their Sunday evening radio news talk, and their guest was Mr. Dr. Winby Jones, a professor of economics at the National University. Next, the speaker said that during the first half hour of the show, Dr. Jones would talk about the current economic situation in the country, especially about the problems in the agriculture sector, and then and answering their questions about the economy. After that, he suggested calling them at 645 triple five 2594 to speak with Dr. Jones. After that, following that, they would have their usual weekly news review. And during the last 10 minutes of the show, they would read from their letters and emails commenting on the week after show. Talk 5. The speaker got the student attention and got the passengers' attention, and then he commented that that day they would continue their discussion of ancient and Chinese history. And then he was sorry that the video he had planned to show was unavailable. Instead, he had some slides to show them, and those slides showed some examples of ancient Chinese history and architecture, and some views of the Great Wall, and some other things. Next, the speaker said that if had read the assignment in their textbook, then they already had some background on the building of the Great Wall. After that, the speaker said that speaking of assignment, uh, one have some article. He have some article for them to read, of to read for the week after, in in his opinion. Finally, the speaker suggested Jian forget forgetting that the week after they had a special guest, Dr. Smith, their own university president, who would talk about his recent trip to China.